What's going on, guys? We're back with another video. Didn't have enough speed. We have the new version of the Traxxas Maxx today. It's a nice 6 degrees out in January. So we have snow to play with, so we're launching it out of the garage the best we can for now. And we're going to try not to bury it in the snow, because it is dense. Not dense, it's just there's a lot of snow and this thing gets stuck in it because, you know, it's too deep. Okay, we're going to have to go grab that out. Okay, we have retrieved our car from the snowbank, and we're back to this again. Sounds absolutely awful landing on concrete / hard packed ground. But that's what we have to play with today, so that's what we're doing, because I didn't feel like clearing the entire yard out. So, the kit, it's longer and wider, but with how slippery it is, the whole wide might be a little bit lost. Alright, let's go play with the other ramp and move on. We walk forward a bit here. We'll walk forward a bit. Running one of the Traxxas 4-cell 6700 mAh batteries. Doing our best to keep the car moving. Trying to get forward towards the other ramp. The new tires seem like they work well in snow, at least. We just built this ramp, haven't hit it yet. And we're going to start by completely missing it. We'll try to hit this one a little bit faster, see if we can get some distance out of it. Bit of a tall order with how slippery the snow is right now. Maybe we'll turn our cheater mode up to half power and see if that helps us keep it straight. Try and do a speed run. Every time we deviate from the beaten path, we're getting stuck in the snow here. So move it back. Trying not to completely bury it every time. One more speed pass. It's oddly quiet with the snow right now. It just absorbs all the sound coming out of the car. It's really hard to see. The stability control helps a little bit with trying to keep it straight, but everything is incredibly loose right now. About the best we're going to be able to do with the conditions we have for now. I believe we missed the ramp. Alright, status report so far. Got a little bit of snow in there. Body is still holding up fine. Everything seems to be normal. These tires do seem to work better than I was expecting in that powdery snow. Try to get the That's why I like these clipless bodies here. So they're relatively easy to put back on one-handed, as I now have to pause the phone and restart so I can drive with my driving hand. Okay, so we apparently ran out of storage space on the camera, so that's been cleared up. Don't know where it cut off. I was in the middle of saying it does appear as though we are not accumulating a ton of snow under the body, and these tires do seem to work a little bit better than I was expecting as far as traction in the snow goes. Try and do another flip here. Didn't quite get that around. The fact that I had to hammer on the gas after I was leaving the ramp probably didn't help, and they're able to get out of the snow there, which was honestly a little bit surprising to me. Bring it around for another flip. A little easier to backflip when the key mistake I made with that was I got on the throttle while I was still on the ramp, so I spun the wheels up to full speed before it was in the air, and then I had nothing left to give to try and actually get it to flip. Whereas I just get it moving at medium speed and then gas it off the ramp like I'll try and do here. We didn't make it. Does seem to be the one drawback of the V2 Maxx is since it is slightly longer, it does seem to be slightly more difficult to get it to flip. Give it a little boot, give it the boot there. It does seem to be a little harder to get it to flip since the chassis is longer. But this thing rips pretty good when you get it going right. It's just hard to keep it driving with my left hand, filming with my right. And being on snow is a little bit hard to manage. So I got my finger to give it the throttle and my thumb to steer with. I got no point of reference for the ramp. There we go. Try and get her to come around. Just have this one cleared spot in my driveway to play with now. I wanted to get a video up with this since these are the hot new thing people have been posting about online. Plenty of other people have already posted their videos, but maybe I'll be the first one to post playing in the snow with one. But, so far I'm pretty happy with it. Seems nice. The only thing I'm concerned with in the snow is if it gets if I start to dig below the surface of the snow, it gets to be a bit of a pain to clean like half frozen mud and muck off of these. You have to go through all the bearings and not a good time. Hoping to keep it in the snow so I can just throw it under a heat fan for a little bit and come back and it'll be good to go. Okay. Go one more pass up and down the driveway here, and then we'll just send it full speed into the snow and see how far we can make it. Oh, she's stuck good. Can only see where it was based on like there being a powdery fluff ball, and she is buried in the snow. Not that this stuff's all that thick, it's just light and fluffy. It's just so deep enough for it to end up sitting on the chassis and not moving anywhere. Don't have enough traction to really hammer on the ramp too hard here. It's hard enough to keep it going straight. But full power into the snow. And that's apparently as far as we're going to make it from full send into the snow. Pull her out again. And we made it out. Okay. It's about 6 degrees Fahrenheit out here right now, so this truck does seem to be pretty solid, considering we're giving it not ideal landings with really cold temperatures, which probably makes the plastic more brittle. Seems to be happy to take it though. It's hard to hit that ramp faster in this without being able to... Depth perception is not my strong suit. Alright, let's get it going again. Try and move this way so we can get some more shots of it flying by. so far I'm happy with it. I think we're gonna end up ending the video off here. And this is about all I really had space to be able to do this weekend. I got to get some heavy equipment here to actually clear the rest of the yard out so we can have more space to play with it. But hopefully you guys found this interesting. If you want to see more, let me know. That's our new ramp there going for distance. We might still have to tweak the angle of that a little bit since it might still be a little bit steep. But hopefully you guys enjoyed this video of snow bashing the Maxx V2. If you want to see more, please let me know. We're kind of turning into like an RC channel now since this is where my money and time is going now. It's an interesting hobby I've been picking back up since I did this a lot when I was a kid. And I guess I'm just reliving my childhood. That was kind of cool, but we're buried. We're going to leave it off there. Thanks for watching. Let me know if you want to see more on the now buried Traxxas Maxx V2. See ya.